Welcome back. In Microsoft Word, pages are set to vertical orientation by default. If your document is currently in landscape or if you want to ensure specific pages are vertical, here are the most effective way to manage it. So first you need to highlight the text on the page you want to make vertical. For example, the first page, and then go to the layout tab on the top menu bar and look for the page setup group, and here is the page setup group, and here you need to click on this small arrow and you will be redirected to page setup dialog box window. So in that window that opens up, under the margins tab, select the portrait. Right now it is landscape, and here you need to select it landscape, and in the preview you can see that has been instantly changed. And then head to the apply to and make it selected tags, and then click OK to apply the changes, and here you can see that Word will automatically insert section, and after your selection to keep that specific section vertical. So I hope now you understand how to make vertical pages in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.